In the different steps in this communication approach, we use different tools. This is the message house tool, which we use for building those specific messages. The most important thing of the message house tool is to enable consistent messaging. This means that in the beginning of the project, we sit down with the project team and we decide together what is the umbrella statement and what are the core messages that we want to bring towards the different target groups. For example, in this project, the umbrella statement was SAP Connect for Our Success, and one of the core messages was SAP strengthens our networked organization. What is also very important at a certain point in time is measuring the communication success, measuring if people have seen your communication, did they understand it, was it relevant, was it useful for them. If you're in a project where there is a pilot, for example, it's always very interesting to do this kind of an online survey. It's very feasible. You can do it with only asking 5 questions and making sure, of course, that you adapt the communication plan afterwards. We also made sure there was a central point of information on SharePoint, of course. And we gave 2 weekly updates by newsletter, but also organized conference calls, only with those specific business process owners. Next to that, if you want to put communication on the agenda of the project, I would recommend all of you to make sure it is one of the topics on the Steerco updates. We also organized lunch bag sessions after the rollout, so people could share their concerns again, share experiences, and talk through possible questions and problems. And then, last but not least, a celebration information session is always nice to celebrate the success of a program, of a project, of course. So what should you remember about this story? Stick to the plan. Embedding change takes time. So it's very important to repeat your messaging and to make sure that they are consistent. Make sure there is a visible and active sponsorship of your management. Don't neglect the power of word of mouth. Make sure that you have ambassadors and make sure that they feel supported and they feel that you value them. And last but not least, work with internal or external change and communication specialists.